Hapon na naman, kaya mag-exercise na naman kami ng aking partner na si Aspen. Ayan si Aspen. Go, 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 Aspen. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 Aspen. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go, go, Aspen. Go. Up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, Aspen. Go up. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Yan, go up kami ni Yasmin. Yan. Ang bilis ni Yasmin, oh. Pagod na yata. Ako hindi pa ako pagod. Ang sarap mag-rakad. Ang sarap. Sarap mag-exercise yan, oh. Bilis-bilis ni Yasmin. Thanks for viewing. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. Ang ganda mag-exercise. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Hapon na naman, kaya exercise kami tuwing hapon ni Aspen.